Click on the link below to get price. The 110V 1500W Commercial Ceiling Dehumidifier is an impressive solution for anyone dealing with humidity issues in large spaces. With a robust capacity of 160 liters per day, this dehumidifier is designed to effectively combat moisture in areas like warehouses, basements, and even swimming pools. Its powerful operation is suited for both commercial and residential applications, making it a versatile addition to any environment. One of the standout features is its efficient energy consumption. Operating at 1,500 watts, it offers a significant moisture removal capability without excessive electricity usage. This efficiency is crucial for businesses and homeowners looking to manage operational costs while maintaining a comfortable environment. Installation is straightforward, particularly because the unit is designed to be mounted on the ceiling. This space-saving feature is ideal for larger areas where floor space is at a premium. The build quality is solid, with durable materials that promise longevity and reliability. In addition, the design is sleek and unobtrusive, ensuring it blends seamlessly into various settings without becoming an eyesore. Performance-wise, the dehumidifier excels at maintaining optimal humidity levels. It operates quietly, making it suitable for environments where noise can be a concern, such as offices or residential spaces. The built-in humidity sensor allows for automatic adjustments, ensuring that the air quality remains consistently comfortable. Another notable advantage is the unit's maintenance features. The removable filter is easy to clean, which extends the lifespan of the dehumidifier and maintains its efficiency. The included drainage system simplifies water removal, eliminating the need for constant monitoring. In conclusion, the 110V 1500W Commercial Ceiling Dehumidifier is a powerful and efficient tool for anyone struggling with high humidity levels in large spaces. Its combination of high capacity, energy efficiency, and ease of use makes it a strong contender in the dehumidification market. Whether for a commercial setting or residential use, this dehumidifier is a reliable choice for ensuring a comfortable, dry environment.